We are in Inventor 2025 and we will have a look at a functionality called BOM export from GRAITEC PowerPack for Inventor. Let's have a look first at the functionality embedded in Inventor to export bill of materials to Excel. So we'll create a bill of materials for this assembly just for the structure list. And if we save it as an Excel file, we will see now how this looks like. And we will notice that the thumbnails are moving in Excel, so they are not embedded in the cell of this file. Now, if we go in the GRAITEC PowerPack ribbon and we select Export Structural, we'll automatically export to Excel the information. And the big difference is that now the picture, the thumbnails, are embedded in the cell, so they are not moving around the Excel sheet, and this is saving a lot of time for the user to not embed the pictures in the Excel if it's required that.